my 4 years as an iOS developer, giving many interviews and taking many, I've learned one thing. There's a serious gap between what the market needs and what the candidates offer. And that gap is practical knowledge. लोगों के पास CGPA तो होता है, but लोगों के पास practical knowledge नहीं होता. And why is that? Because people think that they need a Macintosh in order to do Mac development. As a result of which, there aren't many people who are efficient and who have practical knowledge of iOS development. So, because of this, the iOS developers get a huge amount of projects because there is a shortage of them. Plus, they get a pay increase compared to Android developers. So you will definitely get 10 to 20k more than an Android developer of the same caliber, which makes this offer, which we are going to teach you, this iOS course, very lucrative for your future. So what are we going to teach you in this? We are going to teach you how to work in teams, because most of the time you're going to be working with American or US or etc. So they're going to be huge teams, and you need to have knowledge of GitHub and how to collaborate within a big organization and how the course should be structured. There's a specific structure of an iOS course. Second, the main crux which I have learned being an iOS developer and taking interviews is that when a candidate goes and tells the interviewer, they'll look at this is the application which I created. That's a serious plus point, and seriously it makes the interviewer really happy, because it shows that you have a practical knowledge. That's what we are going to teach you. We are going to take you from scratch, and we are going to create a very beautiful professional application which you can showcase and even publish on iOS platform. And if you're good enough and if you have an understanding, you can even come and work for me in my company, which does iOS and Android outsourcing. We are offering you a course of iOS development, and we are giving you a chance to fill the gap between what you learn in the university and what the market actually needs.